Working hard every day, tryna make it up to Cali, hoping for better days. Tryna make it up to Cali, working hard every day, tryna make it up to Cali, hoping for better days. Tryna make it up to Cali.
Watch this video until the end, just because if you reject this video, you won't make any money. Please make sure you watch this video until the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel if you are new. Guys, let me show you how to make money on this platform. Guys, this platform is PMP. It's here in South Africa. It's not based in South Africa, but this here in South Africa is giving South Africans a chance to make money online. Please grab this opportunity just because it's still here. Guys, please make sure you grab it today. I will leave the link on my description after this video. So guys, let's dive in, guys. Now guys, I want to show you how to recharge on this platform. I want to show you how to recharge just because people are getting this confused. So I want to show you guys how to recharge, and then what you're going to do, guys, you're gonna click where they said recharge near withdrawal. You're gonna go where they said recharge, and then you click where they said recharge, and then you're gonna put the amount that you want to recharge. Please keep in mind you only use dollars. You're not using rands here. You're gonna put, let's take, you're gonna recharge with $10. You're gonna click $10, and if you wanna recharge with $15, you're gonna put $15. If it's $20, you're gonna put $20. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna put $10. So I'm just gonna click what they say pay by bank, and then okay guys, so you're gonna choose the bank that you're using. As you can see here, we're in South Africa, we're using Standard Bank and Capitec. I don't know why FNB is not here, but if you have Capitec and Standard Bank, you can also recharge. So for me, I'm just gonna choose Capitec just because I'm using Capitec for now. I'm just gonna click confirm, and then as you can see, other details. So guys, this information is the information that you're going to use on your Capitec app. You're gonna go to your Capitec app and use this information. Where they say bank name, you're gonna put your bank name, and that's Capitec, and then where they say recipient, you're gonna put that recipient, and then the account number. You need to use this account number so that you will get the money that you recharged on your balance on this PMP website. So please make sure you use this account number, and then on references, you're gonna put this reference number, and then amount, as you can see, is 250. So guys, $10 worth 250 on this platform. If you have $10, you have 250. That's what they're trying to tell us here, just because here in South Africa we know that $10 is 180, or I don't know why now it's 250, but that's a lot, guys. That's a lot. That's what I love about this platform. So guys, as you can see, you're gonna put the amount, and then you're gonna read everything here. As you can see, number one, priority to the same bank transfer. Different bank transfer must choose instant payment. So different transfer, guys, they need to use instant payment. So please copy the receipt. Guys, this is the information that I was telling you about, guys. This is the information that I was telling you about. I hope now you understand. You will just need this information and go to your Capitec bank and then use this information. So as you can see, look at the time. Please make sure you need to be fast, just because the more the time decreases, you will fail to recharge on this platform. You will fail to recharge. Please make sure you use that time, just because that time you need to be done with your recharging process, guys. So as you can see, now I'm just gonna click back. Because guys, I hope now you understand how you can start recharging. So now guys, as you know how to recharge, that's so amazing. I'm glad. So experience cloud computing power. This is the best machines that you can get, guys. This one is $5, this one is $15. These machines, guys, is going to mine money for you. So what I love about this one, the number one is only working for 5 days, guys. You're gonna earn like $1.8 a day, guys. You're gonna get that a day. Hash rate is 60 TH per second, guys. It's what I love about this one. Gross income is $9, guys. Maximum purchase quantity is 1. Effective time 5 days, guys. 5 days. So guys, this is the best. This is the best platform I never get. So $5, guys, just $5. You can spend just $5. That's I think it's 90 rand to get this this machine to make this money for you. So the more you upgrade, is the more you make money. So I won't explain everything here. I hope you understand, guys. I hope you understand, because the more I explain the number one, I hope the number two, it will be easy for you to understand. So to purchase is easy. So they just removed this one, I don't know why, but to purchase this kind of platforms is not platform, this machines is easy, guys. So now I'm gonna show you how to deposit, because people get this and they confusing this, and they also confusing this kind of platforms, just because whenever they fail to deposit, they will say that this platform is a scam. Guys, I'm 100% sure about this one, just because I tried it for myself. So guys, another way to make money is getting people to this platform. Say they become your subordinates and you make money where they make money. So this platform, guys, gonna bonus you every time. So now I want to show you guys how to add your bank account. So if you want to withdraw your money, you need to add your bank account, and then guys, you need to click where they say add bank account. As you can see, guys, you need to click where they say add bank account. As you can see here, they're showing us ABSA, and then all the banks that we have here in South Africa, we have them here, guys. So for me, I'm just gonna use Capitec, just because I'm using Capitec. And real name, I'm gonna put my real name, guys. I'm just gonna put my name here. And then branch name, you're gonna put your branch name, your branch name. Guys, you're gonna put your branch name, as you can see. So bank account, you're gonna put your own bank account. Remember, you're gonna put your Capitec bank account if you're using Capitec. If you're using FNB, you're gonna use FNB. So whatever bank account you're using, you need to put the information here, guys. So you're gonna click submit. So I'm not going to put my bank account, just because for the safety purpose, I'm just gonna do it myself, but not on the screen. So guys, now you know how to set up your bank account. So if you're done setting up your bank account, it means it will be easy for you to withdraw. When let's take, you have some amount of money that you need to withdraw, you're gonna click where they say withdraw. And then, guys, also if you want the app, it's easy. If you want the app to be on your phone, you're gonna click where they say download. So when you click download, as you can see, let me show you. Boom, as you can see, download again. I already downloaded it, but I'm downloading just because I want to show you. As you can see, I have downloaded the app, and then you're gonna click open, and then we install the app. It's easy as that. And log in to your account. You're just gonna put your information, and then you log in. So it's easy as that. Please keep it in mind, I have the link on my description. If you want to register to this platform, I have the link. And